What kind of a toilet is this? Aye. So you shit here, you make chips here, you sleep here, you sell here.
Anazi ukuthi bekufika MK lephates lezo okhuluma indaba zokuthi ama-foreign afuna ngangene emsebenzini bekhona abantu base-South Africa. Angazi lokho.
Sikuzwile.
Nikuzwile? But still niyasebenza. Ni still niyasebenza khona kunjani? Phumani. Yeah, Phumani.
Kamnandi njani?
Sure. Where are you from? DRC. How long have you been here in South Africa?
18 years.
18 years?
Yeah.
That's a very long time. How is South Africa to you? Very nice, ne? Is it nice in DRC? Not nice, that's why you came this side. This is what we are addressing you. We don't want you in this town anymore. We are fixing South Africa. As a man, go back to your country. Fight for whatever it is chasing you out of your country.
From now on.
We are fixing our South Africa now. We don't want foreigners. You are illegal or not.
I'm married here.
What needs to happen to East London is all that land must be managed by us Nigerians, the rightful owners of Eastern Cape. We need to bring more Nigerians to come live here, like over hundreds of thousands of people. This will be the way Africa unites.
Nigeria likwaze umuntu ohamba naso.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have these videos that I came across on Facebook. Then I decided to do a compilation. We know so many things has been happening here in South Africa. We had this March to March that has started in Durban, whereby South Africans were fighting against illegal foreigners. So the collections of these videos that I'm about to show you, we're seeing South Africans entering different shops, asking for permits, asking for documents, because we know that you can't just go to another country and start building your business or start running a business without having particular papers. In this collection of videos, I have this guy that is going to be the first clip. He's the first Nigerian guy that has actually made sense. He said something that a lot of Nigerians are afraid to admit. I'm not going to explain what he's going to say. When I hear for yourself. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that each and every time when we give you content like this one, it comes to you as a notification.
Between us and South African citizens who are xenophobia, South Africans are in their house, minding their business. They did not invade your country. You left your country, came to their own country, sell drugs to their children. You have turned their children to junkies. You've turned their fathers to junkies. You turned their mothers to junkies. Even white men, white South Africans are junkies today because of us. Because of the things, the crime that we are committing against them. And you dare open your mouth to tell me that South Africans hate us, they are xenophobic, they are evil? Are you seriously kidding me? You are the one that turned their girls into prostitutes, made them to become drug addicts, destroy their life. It is your pastors that are dealing in drugs. Who are the biggest supporters of Nigerian church in South Africa? It is South Africans. The same people that are supporting your ministry. You are selling drugs secretly to them, destroying their nation, destroying their environment, in the name of you being a pastor. And you open your mouth to say South Africans are evil. Are you seriously kidding me? You know, I want us to know something. what goes around surely comes around. To those Nigerian pastors here in South Africa that are collecting tithe from these drug dealers and internet fraudsters, you are part of the problem. And I want to promise you one thing, that the God we serve will bring this karma on your children. Your children will become junkies. Your wife will become junkies. And to that Jeff, that punk that came, that is using a fake account, that is calling me a weak man. Your children will become junkies. Your wives, your families, they will become drug addicts. The poison that you people are spreading all over the world, it will become the portion of your family members. I am not doing what I'm doing for South Africans to love me, to accept me. What I'm doing, I want South Africans to start loving all foreign nationals again, to start seeing me, or to start looking for someone like me in every foreign nationals that are living in South Africa. We have wronged these people, we have failed them, we have destroyed their lives, we have disrespected them, we have disrespected their laws. The government have been good to us. After our government abandoned us, their government accepted us into the country, even forced South Africans not to stop us from using their facilities. I want you to know something. Now, I want the world to judge after everything that I've outlined, after everything that I've experienced my country people do in South Africa. Who are the xenophobia ones? Because South Africa is a country that has been wrongfully labeled a xenophobic nation. I would like to urge all South Africans to go to the mirror, look at the mirror, and tell yourself, I am not xenophobic. Because the world has programmed your mind to think that you are xenophobic. And most of you have started accepting that you are xenophobic. You are not xenophobic, you are just soldiers.
This is the guy that I said is the first one that I've came across on TikTok or on social media that is actually making sense and also admitting a lot of things that South Africans are saying about Nigerians, because it's like we hate them. It's like we are xenophobic each and every time when we are trying to raise these matters. This brother, he went as far as pointing out, talking about pastors that are selling drugs. Just imagine pretending to be a pastor, knowing exactly that you are a drug dealer. People, they come to you because of you are a pastor, knowing exactly that you are not really a pastor. You are just using a church to shield your dirty activities.
The letter report. No, akonakali. In Nigeria likwaze umZulu. In Nigeria likwaze umuntu ohamba nathi. So yona inkinga leyo. Yona inkinga. Nigeria likwaze umuntu. So that is a big matter. Where's Paella? So there is a big matter. No, it can't be focused now. So we see the situation. We like to go very much now. Life is over, man. Life. Hey, life.
بس شايلان الماج هو بس شايلان ايه سلام هو سلام
This is the chaos that erupted in East London during March to March. According to the video and what the people are screaming there, they are saying one of a Nigerian has stabbed a South African. So that is why there is chaos like this. It's like they are looking for that Nigerian that has stabbed a South African. The guy says he stabbed one of us, people, meaning it just happened during the march. The Nigerian happened to stab one of them. So that's what they are saying in the video. And then the visuals are people just all over the place running. We don't really see much what is happening there except them running. We also notices that there are police there that are trying to calm the situation down, which is good for both South Africans and Nigerians. The next part that we are going to see now, I call it the consequences. I call it the consequences because that's how South Africans are retaliating. That's how now Ushuba Konage much. Let's watch. Please don't forget to like.
Oscar. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Ao mesmo, outside the store. Net passport. Net passport. Honestly. Yeah,
It's I have the room here.
So you also cook and sleep here?
No, this is a problem. When not sleep, one sleep only. Security. Sometimes my home there. This.
You sleep here?
So sleep.
How many people sleep here?
Huh?
How many people are sleeping here?
Two.
2. You and who?
This and another uncle. Security.
What is this? This hole? What is this for?
Toilet.
You have a toilet here?
Yes. But not used. Sometimes only used.
Baba. What kind of a toilet is this? So you shit here, you make chips here, you sleep here, you sell here. Baba, you've got serious problems.
He was very, very, very arrogant and rude.
Yeah, open if you have your stuff. Open. Okay. So you've got your stuff with. You've got your money.
You've got your money, your phone, and your swiping machine. Can we come in now? Sure. Okay, before we do anything here in the store, can we please have your documents that prove that you're legal in the country?
Only the one Saris and the other one, the one who took last time. Only that one.
No. Okay. Bring your documents. We want to
Whatever
documents you have, Baba. Give us no documents. The Saris and the other one, he didn't bring it back. Last time. It's Thursday. Okay, last time.
Okay, so
Last time in some with that guy, yeah, he took it last time.
It was given back to you.
No, Councillor, can you shut this thing down? Can you shut this thing easy? Can you please call your boss? We are taking out the stock. We're closing the store. We're not going to negotiate. We're not going to negotiate with you. We're shutting down the store. The store is shut.
Please take your stuff here.
Hayi angeke inhlanzeko yayaphi kanti uma ifriend uyapheka uyakaka ngapha ulala khona lana khona la in a very small room yonke into yenziwa lana sithuma ingane etoro ingane futhi sithanda kabi ukuthenga my friends ingane zicela imali ngicela ngiphe imali ngiyothenga my friend and then sigijima izothenga etoro. This is what they are being given etoro. Thenga ama chips. Just imagine buying chips there in that place where that man sleeps and also has a toilet just close by, just by the stove that he used to make chips. So what do you call that, man? Like, really? Bengayenza lento country yakhe lo muntu engayenza le business, this kind of business in his own country athengisele ingane zabo. I don't think so. I really don't think so. So these are the things that we don't like as South Africans. You can write in a comment section and tell me if I'm wrong. If wena ngokwakho, would you really accept this kind of thing, like in your space? Would you really accept this? Because ingane zethu ezithenga lezi zinto, ingane zethu eziya etoro zothenga. Some of us, we stopped buying from Somalian shops long time ago. Ever since we've seen, I've seen that video, Coke. There's a video that used to trend whereby they were making Coke. That's when I've stopped. So you guys, like, this is not fair. This is not fair. Let's keep going.
So yeah. So you food, right? Sure. How come you're here in South Africa selling clothes? How did you come that you're in South Africa selling clothes?
I didn't come to South Africa today. I'm here for a long time.
I never asked you that question. I never asked you how long have you been here. I said, how come you are in South Africa selling clothes for Nigeria?
How come? Well, this is what I'm doing for living. I don't know why I'm selling clothes, but the only thing is what I'm doing to feed my children.
your mansion is outside.
Yeah, in my house.
In my house?
Yeah, around here.
Oh, yeah, in South Africa?
Yeah, in South Africa here.
How long have you been in South Africa?
My first son is 18 years old. Just think about that.
From now on,
No illegal foreigner. Sell nothing in the rest.
We do not want any foreigners here.
Even this Baba know me very well.
No.
We don't care if he knows you or don't. We don't want foreigners in this town.
From now on.
We are fixing our South Africa now. We don't want foreigners. You are illegal or not.
I'm married here.
You don't care. Take your wife and go home. Take your wife, then take your wife and go home. Take your wife and go back to your country. It's fine. You are married. That's fine.
Although she's late now, I have children to raise.
Take your children and go raise them at home.
Don't waste the time, Baba. We are not playing.
No, I'm not. I'm not fighting with you.
Okay, now.
You cannot fight with us. You cannot fight with us. We are addressing you. The word fight, we haven't said anything about fighting. What we are saying is from now on, we don't want to see you here. This is your last day seeing you here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or do you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, now. Not tomorrow.
Clear up.
Now.
Clear up.
Baba, don't waste the time. We're serious. We are serious. Why are you sitting down? Because we're talking to you.
What's wrong? This is not Nigeria.
I'll close.
Close it. Now.
Close now. Close. Now, close.
Boy.
Now, close.
Before you what am I going to close? I'm closing.
Now. Close. You are standing, but not closing. Close.
Now.
Boy. Don't know.
We give you 10 minutes. When we come back here, we don't expect to find you here. You know why? We are cleaning our South Africa. Our country is polluted. Our own country, it's heavy in our shoulders. Go back to your country and fix your own country. We are fixing ours. You'll never see a South African in Nigeria selling like this in the street. Have you ever seen a South African in Nigeria? Why it becomes easy for you to come in South Africa and do what you're doing? You'll never see us in your country doing what you're doing in our country. You are an African, yes, our brother, African brother. Go back to your country and fix your country. Be a man. Have balls. Go and fight for what is good for you in your country, not in our country. That's what we are saying. We are not being xenophobic. We are not doing anything wrong. But go back to your country and fix your country as we are fixing ours. We are fixing South Africa. Go fix Nigeria. The problems of Nigeria needs Nigerians to fix it. As well as for the South African needs us, South Africans, to fix it. We are fixing our South Africa. Go back and fix your country. We are men. Why run away from our own problems from your country? Now we are becoming our own problem in our country.
Don't waste our time.
I'm going to close now.
Now.
Close. What's stopping you? What's stopping
now.
you? What's stopping you?
Good.
Oh.
What's stopping you?
Oh, you want to call someone?
Yeah, call someone.
No, we are
if I find you like this, you see how dirty here is? You see how this dirty? All these things, I'm going to throw them there. I find you without closing, I'm coming back. I'll show you.
Boss. Come in, John.
Brother, where are you from?
DRC.
DRC. How long have you been here in South Africa?
18 years.
18 years?
Yeah.
That's a very long time. How is South Africa to you? Very nice, ne? Is it nice in DRC? It's not nice, that's why you came this side. This is what we are addressing you. We do not want you in this town anymore. We are fixing South Africa. As a man, go back to your country. Fight for whatever that is chasing you out of your country, because you cannot run away from South Africa and go to DRC. Can you be able to do that?
Yeah, mina ngizokhuluma mina isiZulu ezweni
Awusazi isilungu?
Hayi.
Khuluma isiZulu.
Mina nila Mzansi ngabaleka ekhaya indaba yembi bulwa ekhaya yabona. Babulala ubaba wami, babulala mama wami. Ngabaleka ekhaya. Ngabuya la. Fika la Mzansi iSouth Africa yaninikeza iphepha yokuhlala la, nepermit yokuhlala la Mzansi.
Ubani onikeza iphepha?
i-country ye-South Africa.
Yiphi country? Khuluma ye-country.
South Africa.
Ngisho iphepha lelo lithi wena ligunyaza ukuthi uhlale la. Iliphi lelo phepha?
Okay.
Yabo le, this is temporary.
Listen.
The Islam le.
This is
It's
Islam,
temporary. This is not a permanent.
Even if it was permanent, but now we are fixing our own country. We need you as our African brothers to go back to your countries, fix your own country. You are a man of God, Paul. Why did you run away from your own country? Have you ever seen a South African doing what you are doing here in your country? No. It means you are a coward. You decided to run away from your country to come to our country because we are bananas. It's a banana republic. We are tired of you.
No. I go say banana Africa and more.
It's me who's saying, not you.
Yeah.
It means Oshoganjalo, not you.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi kwena buyele country yakho njengendoda. For ni ulwele country yakho ukuthi country kibe right. You cannot say if you are a man in your own heart, if things happen bad in your own heart, then ubalekela kamakhelwane. Lungisa ikhaya lakho ndoda.
Phela lisiqoqele la bayakwazi ukuqonda abantu la South Africa bayakwazi
ukuphinda ekhaya. Yazi. Yazi ukuphinda ekhaya. Manje kufanele nilungise.
Sorry baba. Sorry. Don't waste our time baba. Sicela isiqoqele sidingi la.
When I come back here.
Hayi uthi siyadlala sidingi
la. Ukuthola le tent mfethu mangiphinda.
Sorry, sithi asidingi qoqa manje.
Ya ngizovala ngiyazi vele alikhola.
Ya asidlali sithi vala manje. Sorry sithi vala manje.
Ngizovala.
Ya ngisisho manje. Sokoma phela. Hayibo. Nomfane sisukumisela wena thina uqoqa. Qoqa siyakwazi ukugundela abantu. Hamba ugunda abantu le ekhongo ngakini. Asifike evulile siyakuvalisa. Nomfana ugunda abantu lapha meke wavula wagunda abantu. Wena siyakuvalisa. Hayi yena uzoyenza yena lo. Awuzuthuma thina. Uzoyenza yena. Cha umuntu wavula lapha. Wena masifike evulile siyakuvalisa. Wena wabithi ke wena. Iba namasenga. Ihadini izwe lapho le. Ya. Lo muntu uhlala. Kuba igama lo muntu. Awumazi. Mhlazana kusasa eqhumisa ibhomu la yothini. Ephambi kwakho la. Usana ubani wiki. Usana ungaba amadoda niba abantu besilisa. Lesingane ziyakhula lesingane. Uyabona ihadini kuyothi le ngane singangathi. Kuyobe ngasekho ihadini. Imeya kuyobe sekufuba umbare ngura. Sengaseyona le yabithi. Mkhaya, lo muntu samfice evulile lapha. Siyakuvalisa la mkhaya. Akithi yezwakala kayisi. Akithi una amasela. Akithi indoda. Ukuhluleka ke indoda. Lungile kayisi. Owenza. Kunjani? Sikole. Lapha ya erenke besinomhlangano wabadayisi. Sathola ukuthi awufika. Alright, ngoba bungawazi kulungile ikhinkeni. Uvosi usuyethekwini. Awa, ukukhona sibhizi siyaklina. Siklina lento yama-foreign. Awasadingeka. Njengoba sila size kuwena, wena udayisa ubanana, uthuma abantu ngeendishi lezi le rank. Ukuthi abantu bayodayisa rank, angithi uzweli. Emhlanganweni isinqumo esiphumile lesi sithi akekho umuntu ozodayisa ngeendishi lapho ubanana emateksini. Umuntu udayisa etafuleni ngoba kunomama abadala abangakwazi kuyoyaluza erenke. Ubanana wabo uthenga. And kutholakala ukuthi wena ubiza ubanana u10 rand. Bona bagcina bengasakwazi ukusebenza. Sizokutshela ukuthi sizocela njengamanje, yabo? Sicela lento iyeke. Vula itafula lakho usebenze. Mawudayisa ama-fruits wadayisa etafuleni lakho. Akusadingeki maphara lapha erenke, akusadingeki bantu ozobathumela erenke ngoba kunomama abangakwazi ukuyodayisa erenke. Ekudingeka ukuthi bakwazi ukudayisa nabo. Abasadayisa impahla zabo ziyabola. Ngoba wena uthuma abantu abagijima erenke abafana abaningi. Ugcina bona into zabo zibola. Buzoyizwa leyo nto emhlanganweni ukuthi bukhona. and abafana bathembisa abantu ababakhuzayo ukubagwaza nokubalimaza okwenza uma babe novalo lokuthi bayitshela abafana noma bazotshela wena mkhulu ukuthi abayeka abafana ukwenza lento abayenzayo ngoba baye ekhaya bengasaphethe lutho ma bengaphethe ngisho isinkwe ekhaya. So okwanamhlanje ke mkhulu wami nangowala ngakini okwanamhlanje ke mkhulu sizocela namhlanje kuphela ukuthi izingane lezo yithuma renke ungabisayithuma. Vula itafula lakho leli kahle ulihlobise kahle ufake aphula orange pear yonke into ufake nama veg mawuthanda ulihlobise libe lihle kodwa libe la. Hayi ukuthi uvale emkhaya cha laba yabagqilazo omama nkhaya wami. So igcina balimazo gogo bangabisabanayo imali. Yabo uma ubizwa ogogo amasonto emachache elandelana bekhuluma ukukhuluma okukodwa. So nakunina abafowethu sicela nibe nonembeza. Uma sohamba uphethe 1000 uma lapha nengaphethe ngishishumi. Uthini unembeza uma ezofika einganeni nakubazukulu engaphethe lutho. Yabo uhamba uphethe 200 akaphethe ngishimali akana ngishimali okugibela. Ake kube khona unembeza abafowethu. Asithi vala emkhaya kodwa sithi yekela ukuthumela abantwana erank. Sicela ulivule itafula lakho libe likhulu wese noma ningaqala la noma ningaqala lapha ulihlobise. Udayise la kababa. Sicela lonto ngani yakithi siyacela mntaka baba. Kahle kahle sicela unembeza asisho kabi wakithi. Esingakufuna esikusho kabi lokho amakhorekho asiwafuni ke wona. Engikholwa nawe uthi emkhaya awuwafuni. Siyaxolisa emkhaya mayifika kabi siyaxolisa kodwa siyacela emkhaya ingane ezingabisayi re. Owakithi wena siyabonga wakithi.
Nya uhambe yekini emakhaya.
Iphara le ile lethunywa lo baba ilaba phara abantu baba
ungangifuni uzongithola ungangifuni uzongithola
Thatha lo banana ubuyisele la uthatha khona.
Isikhathi singakanani ukuthi ufike la? Yeah, sheshe woza.
Omunye futhi lo obekubhanana lawa lapha phansi.
Hayilo baba yilo baba lo.
Sawuyena lo baba. Ngabuyisela kuyena.
Sawuyena lo baba.
Ngabuyisela kuyena.
Wena uthe ngubani?
See us when you still looking your phone like you WhatsApping your friend.
Yeah. Hey, chief. Imani. Apa malu, izibuleni ntoma prize akhona nezinto zakhona.
Thina sisebenza nalento thina siyathunga uhambe ezansi lapho.
Indaba ngene ebusuku pho, indaba nisebenza ebusuku.
Bafuna siqhethele lo lesiyahamba.
Anazi ukuthi bekufika MK leBades la izokhuluma indaba zokuthi ama foreign afuna ngangene emsebenzini bekhona abantu ba South Africa. Anikwazi lokho.
Sikuzwile.
Nikuzwile. But still niyasebenza. Ni still niyasebenza khona kunjani? Puman. Yeah, Puman. Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Where's him? Yeah, Puman. Zikhona impahla lapha enama prize.
Ile yokuphela ama prize bafaka lapha
ezansi. Sam, asiphumeni. Ingama yenkampani.
Thina ibizwa ukuthi uGora company kodwa.
Gora. Okay, Puman.
Asiyothinta.
Angizwa?
Siyothinta.
Niyothinga.
siyojinja impahla.
Thathani impahla ningashintshi, thathani impahla konke ngishaya niphumile. Ukulandela usoza namaphoyisa la mina nibuye nilokuniza la. Ukulandela usoza namaphoyisa la. Baba abanye. Abanye bebekhona nini? Bangakini abasebenza la?
Hayi thina nisibonile lana.
Phumani. Guys, phumani. Ibhosi yala yiphi? Ikuphi? Uba igama layo? Ubani? Agora. Ibhosi yala? Okay, go guys. You think we are playing? We are marching outside here. You see us as fools. Abakwazi.
Oh my God, the problem lesibhekane nayo la South Africa is a serious problem. This video was long. Obviously, we have seen different people trading bathengisa. I don't have anything to say. Okunye kubuhlungu when you think about it, but someone has to do it. I mean, we cannot just accept anyone who comes to in the country and decide to start any business, because it's simply because we don't do that in their countries. In the previous video that I've posted, I've explained and I've mentioned countries that I've been to legally, you know, and I've been there for work, professional work, you know. So you can write
Chichi, Abatasigo. Obilogaga Wapi also, the occasion will officially start. Yes, Ilani focus on me. On a welcome on the Mbata from Port Elizabeth. Yes. Ezemo East London. Yes. Ezemo East London. Yes.
What kind of a handshake is this? That is letelo bathakathi nama devil worshippers. I don't understand. What kind of a handshake is this? South Africans, let's unite and fight this war. This is our war. This is not our parents' war anymore. This is our war. We have to not allow this. We cannot allow this nonsense in our country. This is the end of the video. If you have managed to watch this video up until now, thank you so much. Please don't forget to leave the like and subscribe to the channel so that next time when we post, it comes to you. Thank you.